Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using the product. Today, we're diving into Taskade, a versatile tool found at https://www.taskade.com. Taskade isn't just your average task management application. It's a robust platform that blends project management, mind mapping, and collaborative workspaces into one unified experience. Think of it as a central hub for all your brainstorming, planning, and execution needs. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur juggling multiple projects or part of a large team coordinating complex tasks, Taskade offers a flexible and intuitive environment to keep everyone on the same page. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate, even for those new to project management software. You can quickly create tasks, organize them into lists, and visually map out your projects using mind maps. The platform also boasts real-time collaboration features, enabling seamless teamwork and communication. This means you can edit documents, share ideas, and track progress together, no matter where your team members are located. Furthermore, Taskade's cross-platform compatibility ensures that you can access your work from any device, whether it's your desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. With its clean design and powerful features, Taskade empowers you to streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and ultimately achieve your goals more effectively. From simple to-do lists to complex project roadmaps, Taskade provides the tools you need to stay organized and focused. Give it a try and see how Taskade can transform the way you work.